Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with a Color Street color play unboxing. This is the March 2025 subscription box, Wild West, and I just got it in the mail, and I'm going to provide you my first impressions of what's inside the box. If you haven't received your box yet and you don't want any surprises, or you don't want to ruin any surprises, I should say, click off of this video and come back later. Otherwise, keep watching and find out what my thoughts are. I have not seen any spoilers yet, so this is my first impressions of what's inside the box. I love getting these because I just like surprises, even though I don't necessarily use all of the sets right away. I'll eventually will use them someday. So, alright, the first things first, let's get the normal stuff that's in here out of the way. The nail prep pad. We've got the nail file, and we'll look at the pamphlet later. Ooh, this is gel eyeliner in Railway. Railway, that's new. That's a new color. Let's see what that looks like. I do have a lot of their gel eyeliners and I do like them, but I'm more of a liquid eyeliner type of gal. But the gel eyeliners are nice for lining like the bottom of my eye area. But yeah, oh yeah. I mean, it's very pretty. Oh, it is good color payoff. So that's going to look cool. I will try that out another day and report back. Is this the same size as the regular ones? It is. So this one is bronze. And that's Railway. Just for color comparison. Just to show you that, since I have it just sitting here. Alright, I like it. Not sure how many of the normal folks that use Color Street will like it, but I like it. Not a bad free item, gift item. Alright, we've got 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 full sets and 2 accent packs. Let's take a look. Desert Loom. Desert Loom is the very first one. Whoa, I think that one matches the box a little bit. It's brighter, much peachier than the box. I don't know how I feel about it. I do like the colors. I don't know if I like the design. But we'll figure out how to use it later. Denim Diva. Denim Diva is the next full set. Whoa, that literally looks like a denim set. Oh, this box is like a weird one for me. Probably will end up making those into like a slant tip or a French tip. I don't know how I would feel about having denim on my full nail. Rodeo Ready. Yes, Rodeo Ready is my type of nail. And you know what? That over that might not be so bad. If it kind of blocks out a lot of the denim, I will take it. That Rodeo Ready is so far my favorite out of the box. Trailblazer. Whoa. I mean, that looks like ink stains. What is it supposed to look like? Mud? Is that mud? Mud being splattered all over something? I don't understand it. I do not like it. This box is, man, oh man. Alright. Ooh, horsies. Can't wait to show Panda those. He's a big fan of horses. This one's Giddy Up. That's definitely it. art clear overlay for sure. Beautiful. Okay, you know what? That might actually not look so bad over that one. And then made for walking. Ooh, it's like the designs you see on cowboy boots. I like that. Kind of wish that they did a full set of this. Well, you know what? As far as layering goes, these sets aren't so bad. So likely we could probably do some layering for these sets and make it work. Let's see what Color Street has done with the sets. Look at that. That's Wild West right here. This one is in this month's box. Saddle up with Color Play's Wild West box. This box features chic, Western-inspired designs, subtle shimmers, and a chunky glitter that make your manicure the stage for the latest trend. Follow one of our looks or create your own custom design inspired by the Wild West. Yeehaw! It doesn't say that, but I wanted to add that. Bonus item, add a matching metallic shimmer to your eyelids with Railway, a waterproof silver gel eyeliner. Waterproof, huh? I mean, it's not budging that much, so that's pretty cool. All right. Meet the strips. Desert Loom is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a glitter design. Really? I would have probably said a shimmer design, but you know what? There is a lot of glitter all up in there. All right. Explore the wonder of the West. Ooh, that's my watch telling me I need to be ready to log back into work. So let's finish this really quick. Explore the wonder of the explore the wonder of the West with Desert Loom, a neutral icat? I don't know. Pattern with a subtle golden shimmer. See, they say shimmer. It should be a shimmer design, not glitter. Rodeo Ready. 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter. Dazzle your nails with this Rodeo Ready chunky pink and gold glitter. Made for walking. 1 sheet of 4-finger strips, clear overlay. This boot-inspired nail design was made for walking as you layer it on top of another color. Denim Diva. For the denim lover, we've got the perfect nail color that goes with it all. Denim Diva, a 2-tone blue twill pattern with cream finish. 2-tone. Is it 2-tone? I guess they mean like... I don't know. I don't see the 2-tone. Maybe I am colorblind there. But that's a cream finish. And then Trailblazer, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a shimmer design. Really? It's a shimmer design? What? I don't know. I don't see the shimmer in that. Embrace your inner cowgirl with Trailblazer, an abstract ivory and chocolate brown cow print. It's a cow print, not muddy, not muddiness, with a shimmer finish. And then Giddy Up, 1 sheet of 4-finger strips, clear overlay. Show off your love for horses with this Giddy Up clear design overlay. Those are the strips. And then we've got right above here, Desert Loom, Rodeo Ready. And then on the front cover, we've got Denim Diva and Trailblazer. The back cover is Rodeo Ready and Trailblazer. Share with us. Share your Western-inspired manicure on social media and use the hashtag #ColorPlay to show the world your creativity. And then we've got more right here. Trailblazer and Giddy Up. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. Layer the horsey over Trailblazer. Denim Diva, made for walking. I probably wouldn't put those two together. Desert Loom and Rodeo Ready. And then Denim Diva and Trailblazer. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not really wowed by the box. I mean, It's different, I'll give it that, but a lot of these sets don't really call to me, so we'll see what I end up doing with them. Alright, comment below if you have any comments you'd like to leave. Otherwise, if you watched this all the way through and you can't think of anything to comment, a horse emoji will be it for this video. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.